Go inside, Lulu. Hey! She's hungry. Mama. Be white, done. Lulu, yala, go inside. Yeah. Go inside, go inside. I will come, Mama. Yala. Oh, I will come. Yeah. Hi. She get it all here. Mama. See? Cho. It's not too much hot now. Ay, she's hungry. Crazy. Ay, crazy. Ay, naughty. Ay, naughty.
Okay.
Yalla, bye-bye. Yalla, Mama, go back. Mama.
Wait. Lulu, guess what? I have a cell phone for you.
One have problem, madam.
Which?
This one, the eyes.
Oh, they always get this. Hey, Mama.
Not yet.
This one's like it.
She see us?
Yeah, I can see that. But this side is not working.
Naglalakad-lakad na ang baby. Ayun pa yung dalawa, guys. So, nagdudulas-dulas ka pa. Ha, bebe? Aw. Ay, sleepy. Hello. Hi, Mingming. Gusto ka ito mabait. Are you hungry? You want milk? You want milk? Ito ang gusto ko sa lahat, guys. You're so cute. Nandito tayo sa ating Mingming. Ang dami naming kuting. Chichismis me dyan. Meow. Where you go? Ito ang pinaka-cute. Ang cute. Ito ang cute. Ang cute ng Mingming na ito. Oh, what happened? Why you cry? You look like a tiger. Meow. So look at that. This is my pussycat. What's you? It's a boy. How do you know it's a boy? No, you're a girl. You're a little girl. You're a girl, Mama. Meow. Don't cry. Ang cute naman na ito. You have to sleep with me? No. You don't like? See, Mama? It's so cute. Ang cute mo naman eh. Ikaw lang ang beautiful sa lahat. I like your colors. You look like a tiger. You're my tiger. Tiger. See your face. Oh, mukha siyang tiger, guys. Why you cry? Cry naman ng Mingming. Why? You want to sleep? You want milk? Mama, Yala, you want to eat? Mama, you want to eat? Come, we will eat. I give you milk. I give you milk. Burika! Jealous Jerika. Why? You hungry? Yala, go mama. Milk. 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 So cute. So yan guys. Dumadede na sila. Tcharan! Say hi, Mama. Hi! Say hi! Mama! Mama! Hi! So yan ang kanyang mga kids, lalo. Rico! Rico! So yan. Ang aking baby tiger. A baby tiger. Mukha siyang tiger yung mukha niya. Oh. Tok, 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 tok. Siya. Mama. Good girl, Mama. Mama. You have too much, baby. Ah, Mama. Tingnan mo yung mata nung isa, oh. Good girl. Good girl si Mama. Mapagmahal na Mama. Diba nililinis niya? Here. Go there. Didi. Other one. Oh, milk. Milk. Ang lalaki na. Ang cute. Ang cute. This. Come. Milk. Where are your milk? Here. So yan guys, ang aming meng. So yan guys, kumakain na ang mga panganay na anak. Si Mama, kailangan bantayan dahil inaagawan ng noting ito. They become big. So cute. Ang pangalawang attempt baby niya na yun. Then bukas. Tingnan mo, di ba? O, di ba? Hindi makakain ng maayos ang nanay. Come, Mama. Pero mabait siya. Hindi niya inaaway yung mga anak niya. Tingnan mo, lumalaban, no? Naughty talaga ito. Yan, nakakain na ng kapatid mo. Ano bang iba ng pagkain ng nanay mo? Parehas lang. Nagpapadede ang nanay mo. Kailangan niyang magpakabusog. Lilipat na, ha? Ayan na, natapon na ang tubig. Tanga. Ano ba kasing iba sa pagkain ng nanay? Ay, nabisa mo naman, Mama. Tingnan mo, may pagkain naman siya. Gusto niya doon sa mama niya. Makamama ka? Makamama! Chung. What? You wanna see yourself? Tingnan mo, kinain na ng kapatid mo yung pagkain mo. Gusto mo, Mama, ang bagal mo naman kumain. Tingnan mo, busog naman yan eh. Kakakain lang na kami. Ito lang nanay yung binigyan ko ng pagkain. Kasi nga, papadede siya. Yala, I get milk. Yala. Ay, bigyan natin sila ng gatas.